Okay guys, welcome to Relaxed Coders. I'm your host Josh. Thank you guys for joining me. This is the first ever video on this channel, so I want to ask everyone to subscribe and turn on notifications because I will be uploading a lot more often on this channel than actually on my main channel. This channel is also going to be really interactive, so if you guys aren't used to commenting, please start getting used to it because that's the way that I will be answering a lot of your questions and requests and whatnot. For today's video, we're going to be installing Python. Python is the main programming language we would be using on this channel. The reason why is because Python is a very easy language for beginners to learn, and it is also very powerful. The sky really is the limit with what you can achieve with Python. So for us to install Python, you just literally have to go onto your browser and enter Python. We would then be going into their main website. Now Python runs on both Windows, Unix, Linux and Mac, but for this channel we would mainly be doing projects on Windows. So we will head over to the downloads section and we see here download Python 3.83. This is the latest version at the time I'm recording this video. They have updates coming in periodically, so make sure to check to make sure that you always have the latest version of Python. So we're just gonna download the software, and then once it's done we would install it and then set up certain things for the environment. Okay, so the download is complete. We're just going to double click on it. Now while you're installing this from the beginning, don't be rushed to just click install now. Make sure you tick this button to add Python 3.8 to path. If you haven't done this and you already have Python installed, it's fine. I will show you guys how to fix this particular problem after you've installed this. So I'm just going to, for the purpose of this video, not include this. But if you are installing this for the first time, make sure you tick that box. We're just going to click install now, and then it will do everything for you. Install the software. Once the software has installed successfully, you can just hit close. Now to fix that problem that I spoke about earlier, what you would want to do is first you have to find where Python was installed on your computer. Typically it's installed to the same place, but just for the sake of this tutorial, just go in your search bar and search for Windows. You would find the IDLE. So if you just right click and open path location again on this particular icon, and then you'll be taking here. This is where Python typically would be installed on most computers. That is if you haven't changed anything. What you would want to do then is to go into the scripts folder and then open up this address bar, and you would want to make note of this particular address. So I'm just going to copy this out. I have a code, command prompt code that I put in the comments in the description section of this video. So you can just go over there. This is what it would look like. Where it says insert path, just paste the path to the scripts folder where your Python was installed. Now take this entire command and open up your command prompt, and you would want to just paste that and select enter. And then you would get a message saying success, specified value was saved. The reason why we're doing this is because there are some packages that we would use in some of our videos and projects that will require us to install other software packages for that project, and we would need the scripts in the scripts folder in order to do that. So we're just fixing that now so we don't run into that problem later. In case you do, you can always come back here and fix the problem. So now that we have Python installed, I'm just going to show you the environment which we would mostly be working in. Now just open up your search bar and type in Python. You'll be shown the IDLE. This is where we'll be working most of the time with Python. Just to show you guys that everything is working, I'm just going to run a simple program. We're just gonna type in print, open brackets, close it. In the brackets, we're just going to open up two quotes, and then we're gonna say hello world. This is a very famous script that beginners always start with. But yeah, so we're just gonna hit enter, and then it's going to print out hello world. So there you go guys, everything is all set up. This video might come across as very boring, but this is just a setup anyways. We would actually be going into real projects and exciting stuff in future videos to come. Thank you guys for joining us at Relaxed Coders. Subscribe if you haven't, turn off notifications, and we will catch you guys on the next episode.